Hello everyone, welcome to cyber attacks part 2. In the part 1 video I have discussed the definition importance of cyber attacks. There are two types of cyber attacks, web based and system based, and these are some types of web based cyber attacks where I have discussed injection attack, DNS spoofing, session hijacking, denial of service and dictionary attack in the previous video. In this video the rest of the attacks will be discussed. The first one is brute force attack. This is also a web based attack. Brute force is a type of attack which uses a trial and error method. This attack generates a large number of guesses and validates them to obtain actual data like user password, personal identification number. This attack may be used by criminals to crack encrypted data or by security analysts to test an organization's network security. Like there are many phone calls which we previously received that saying that your bank account is not in operation, so tell your data by which we can reopen your account. So there are somebody who fraudly called others, but from where they are getting our phone number. So this brute force method or trial and error method can be used in this. They are just guessing the numbers, or they are just swapping the numbers, swapping the digits and getting a number and call them. So they don't know the number. They are using trial and error method to get a number and they call randomly to that numbers. So this can be an example for brute force. Next, URL interpretation. It is a type of attack where we can change the certain parts of a URL, and one can make a web server to deliver web pages for which he is not authorized to browse. Next, file inclusion attacks. It is a type of attack that allows an attacker to access unauthorized or essential files which is available on the web server, or to execute malicious files on the web server by making use of the include functionality. Next is phishing. Phishing is a type of attack which attempts to steal sensitive information like user login, credential, credit card number, user password. It occurs when an attacker is masquerading as a trustworthy entity in electronic communication. Next is man in the middle attack. It is a type of attack that allows an attacker to intercept the connection between client and server and acts as a bridge between them. Due to this, an attacker will be able to read, insert or modify the data which is transmitting from sender to the receiver. In between this time, the data can be modified by a third party which is called man in the middle attack. Now there are some system based attacks. What is system based attacks? They are the attacks which are intended to compromise a computer or a computer network. Some of the very important system based attacks are virus, worm, backdoors, bots and trojaners. So we will discuss these system based attack types in the next part of the video. Thank you.